Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub.
Spending countless hours jumping from one academic database to another, overwhelmed by piles of research papers, and still struggling to finish your literature review? There's a faster, smarter way to handle academic research. Meet Litterfy AI, an intelligent research assistant designed to simplify and accelerate your entire workflow. With Litterfy, you can search multiple academic databases at the same time, export papers instantly, receive smart alerts, and even generate literature reviews using real, credible academic sources. This tool has the potential to completely transform the way you conduct academic research. So let's take a closer look at how it works. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Litterfy.ai. If you'd like to save time, you can also use the link provided in the video description, which will take you directly to the official website. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice that Litterfy is a powerful AI-driven platform built specifically for researchers. Its main purpose is to streamline and speed up academic tasks, and it does that extremely well. You can search scholarly articles from major databases like Google Scholar, PubMed, Semantic Scholar, and more, all in one place. This alone can save hours, especially when you're working on a literature review. What makes Litterfy even more impressive is that it goes beyond just finding papers. It helps you create structured literature review outlines that you can fully customize. You can rearrange sections, edit content, and organize everything exactly the way you want. Now, let's begin by logging in. Click the Login button and enter your account details if you already have an account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. It's clean, simple, and very user-friendly. To search for academic papers, just enter your research topic or keywords into the search bar. For example, I'm researching impact of social media on youth, so I'll type that in. Next, choose which databases you want to search. Litterfy allows you to select one source or multiple databases at the same time, completely your choice. After setting your preferences, hit Enter and let the system do the work. Within moments, the results appear. From here, you can save papers, generate citations automatically, or download PDFs if they're available. There's also a very useful export option. You can select multiple papers and export their details in one click. This includes titles, abstracts, journal rankings, impact factors, and more. Everything you need for serious academic work. That's how easy it is to find and manage research papers using Litterfy. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful features, AI-powered literature review generation. Litterfy can create detailed literature reviews based on actual academic studies. To do this, simply enter your research prompt, then choose the databases you want to source papers from. I'll select Google Scholar, PubMed, and Semantic Scholar. After that, choose your preferred language. I'll stick with English. Once everything is set, press Enter. The system quickly scans and identifies hundreds of relevant academic papers. In this case, it found over 317 studies, which you can browse and evaluate. From here, you just select the most relevant papers for your topic. Once selected, Litterfy automatically generates a detailed outline for your literature review. You can edit or refine this outline as needed. When you're satisfied, proceed to generate the full review. In just a few seconds, Litterfy produces a complete academic manuscript tailored to your research topic. You can even choose between different AI models, such as Gemini 3 or Gemini 3 Pro Preview, which power the content generation. The review includes proper in-text citations, and you can click on any citation to view the full reference. Once the review is ready, you can export it directly to a Word document. The output is well-written, structured, and ready for further refinement if needed. Litterfy also offers advanced review options. You can use custom prompts or choose from built-in templates. For example, if you need a systematic literature review, simply select that template. The template follows a standard academic structure: introduction, methodology, results, and discussion. After selecting it, enter your research focus. In my case, I'll use AI in research.
Next, choose your sources, adjust your preferences, and start the search. You can sort the results by relevance, publication year, or citation count. Select the most suitable papers, and you'll see them added to your selection panel. Finally, generate the review. And just like that, Litterfy produces a comprehensive, well-organized, systematic literature review, complete with multiple academic citations. Overall, this tool delivers high-quality academic writing and saves an incredible amount of time. You can check the pricing details directly on the website. I highly recommend giving Litterfy a try and sharing your thoughts in the comments.
If you enjoy videos about AI tools and tech innovations, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.